Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this lovely Triumph SpeedTriple R for sale. So a beautiful bike is this one. It's a 2013 on a 63 plate, and it's done 16,033 miles from new. Really clean. It is the R model, so you do get those lovely Ohlins suspension front and back, and you also get the Brembo monobloc brakes as well. But really nice clean thing. It's also got the billet levers, billet bearing mirrors, and this one's also got the proper billet Triumph brake reservoir caps. Awesome sounding LexteK exhaust, and it's got a few bits of carbon as well, like the carbon fibre infills. It's got the tail tidy and the seat cowl, so it's dripping in nice bits is this one. You do get the digital display, and you do get the analog counter as well, and this one is the ABS model as well, with your carbon fibre tank cover and then carbon fibre side infills as well. It's a bike that we've sold before. And yeah, it's a really lovely thing. So if you do fancy it, do give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought before someone else does. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.